Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to check oil Audi S5. Park on level ground, warm the engine, and let it idle a few minutes. Open the hood and find the dipstick or oil level sensor access point. Wipe the dipstick clean, reinsert fully, then pull and read the level against markings. Note oil color and smell, and record mileage for maintenance history. Replace dipstick securely and close the hood. Gather tools, a clean rag, gloves, and flashlight to inspect the oil visually. Use the owner's manual section to locate drain plugs, filter, and dipstick positions for your S5. Check oil level on the dipstick between min and max marks and confirm top-up only up to the max line. If oil is dark, gritty, or smells burnt, plan an oil change and inspection by a mechanic. Dispose used oil responsibly. Quick recommendation: if this guide helps, please subscribe and like to support the channel. On another note, I found a book called The Simple Path to Wealth that explains smart money habits in a clear, practical way. It pairs nicely with car ownership tips when budgeting for maintenance, upgrades, or emergencies. Check the description for the book link and other deals, and please consider using them to support the channel. Now let's get back to the video. For Audi S5 models with electronic sensors, use the car's MMI oil level readout after the engine has run and been parked on level ground. Check the owner's manual for the correct oil grade and capacity before topping up, noting both synthetic recommendations and torque specs for the filler cap. When adding oil, pour slowly and recheck the dipstick, avoiding overfill which can harm the turbo and seals. Keep records of dates and mileage.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.